Hello students. Today we will be learning about the LibreOffice. LibreOffice suite is a set of applications such as LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Calc, LibreOffice Impress, LibreOffice Base, wherein each application is used to perform a specific task. Today we will be learning about the LibreOffice Writer. Let us first open a Writer document. This is how the window looks like. Let us learn the basic components of the Writer window. This is the title bar where the name of the file is shown. We have not saved this file yet, so by default, the untitled one is the name. Next is the menu bar where you can see different menus like file, edit, view, insert and all. Below the menu bar is our standard toolbar where we find the options for saving, for opening, etc. This is the formatting toolbar where we are getting the options like bold, italics, underline. Below this is our ruler. This is the ruler. On the side, this is the vertical scroll bar. And below here, this one is the status bar. The white portion is our document area where we will write. Here you see the options for properties, gallery, style. This is our sidebar. Let us start by writing something. This is my first document. So this is how I am writing the text. After writing, let us save it. We will go to the file menu and click it. From here, we will find an option for Save As. Click it. A dialog box opens. By default, the name appears as Untitled 1. We can delete it and give any name. Suppose this is my demo file. Suppose let me give the name demo to this file. Let us select the place where I want to save it. Let me save it in the desktop. So I am selecting desktop and I am clicking on the save option. If I minimize this window, I can find my demo file in the desktop. Let us go back to our file. Suppose I am changing something here. I am changing the text. See, the file I have already saved it. That is why in the title bar, the name of the file appears. It is the demo. And what is the extension in LibreOffice Writer? The extension is .odt. That is why the name of the file is demo.odt. After changing something or writing something, making some changes, that means editing the file, if I want to save again, this time I will go in the file menu and click on the option for save. Okay, this is the difference between save and save as. We go for file menu save option when we have already saved the file before and we are saving it again after doing some modifications. Okay, now let us close the file. So we will go to the file menu and the close option. So it will close. See, these are my two writer documents. This one is a previously created and this one is created right now in front of you. And suppose I want to close the LibreOffice software, so I will go for the file menu and exit option. So I have closed the LibreOffice and moved out of it. Thank you.